to this new segment of introduction of the drug discovery platform called Cresset Flare software. In this video, we will be covering the introduction of its graphical user interface. So as you can see, this is the graphical user interface of Flare software. So the largest window in this graphical user interface will be the 3D window, where we can visualize the protein-ligand complex ligand. Every visualization can be done using this window. By just scrolling forward, we can zoom in, and scrolling backward, we can zoom out. By clicking an atom, we can select one atom, or by just double clicking the whole residue, we can just select the whole residue as well. So as we can see, different ribbon tabs are available in this software. So we can see one by one. This is the home tab, where we can see several options like centering whole ligand protein complex in the 3D window to focus one of the residue. And there are other options to select the active site, to color the ribbons, to display the atoms, to color the different residues present in the 3D tab. There are 3D contact visualizer and 2D interaction map visualizers as well. In the ligands table, we can see different options to edit the ligand and to prepare the ligand for molecular docking or molecular dynamic calculations. Also, we are having so many options to plot these results. Options like library enumeration, hit expander, R group analysis are present in this tab. Going to the 3D pose, features of Flare software ranging from quantum mechanics to molecular dynamics, MMGBSA calculation, FVP analysis, everything is available in this tab. Also, the electrostatic complementarity score analysis, all are available. Then in the sequences tab, we can see the aligning of the sequences, superpose of the sequences, homology modeling, loop modeling, all the options are available in the sequences tab. Going to the proteins tab, we can see different options to duplicate the proteins, edit the protein, protein preparation, dynamic calculations, mole surface analysis, pocket analysis, 3D rhythm, water analysis, and protein-protein docking are also available. Coming to the QSIR and activity miner tab, we can see this is the quantitative as well as qualitative structure-activity relationship model building features available in Flare. Coming to the Spark, we are having scaffold hopping analysis, ligand growing option, joining up two ligands. So many options are available in the Spark section as well. If we are having a Python code, and we can execute that Python code in this Flare software, that we can do using this Python tab. In the view, there are plenty of options so that we can edit the viewing display options available here. Also in the project log, we can see what all are the steps that we have done in one project file. Going to the help menu, we can see plenty of options, and going to the help manual, we can see all the features that are available in the Flare software are explained theoretically as well as with examples. So by just going through these examples, we can understand what these features and how it can be done in Flare. So that's all about the ribbon tabs, and seeing the graphical user interface is divided into different sections. This is the ligands tab, where we can see all the ligands that are available to dock or for dynamic calculation, everything. And in the proteins tab, we'll be having all the proteins that are present in this project. In the protein checker, we are having options to find if the protein is having any gaps, so that we can do by preparation of proteins. If our protein is having any alternate conformation, that can be also analyzed here. And in the calculations tab, we can see what all calculations have been done and what all are completed in the surfaces, filters. So many options are available here. So this is all about the graphical user interface of Flare software. So for knowing more about how Flare is used, molecular dynamics docking, stay tuned for our videos. Thank you.